Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how filing for unemployment works. First, understand that unemployment insurance offers temporary financial assistance if you lose your job through no fault of your own. This system helps bridge the gap while you search for new employment. It's crucial to meet specific state and federal guidelines to qualify for these benefits. We'll cover the initial steps and what you need to know to start your claim effectively. To begin, gather essential documents like your Social Security number, driver's license, and detailed employment history for the past 18 months. You'll also need information about your last employer, including their contact details and the reason for your job separation. Most states require you to file your initial claim online through their specific unemployment agency website. Completing this application accurately and promptly is key to a smooth process. After submitting your application, the state agency will review your information to determine your eligibility and benefit amount. This calculation typically considers your earnings over a specific base period. If approved, you'll usually receive payments via direct deposit or a debit card. Remember, you must certify your continued eligibility, often weekly or bi-weekly, by confirming you are still unemployed and actively seeking work. To maintain your unemployment benefits, you must actively search for new employment and keep thorough records of your job search activities. Be sure to report any part-time earnings or other income you receive, as this can affect your benefit amount. Failing to report income or job search efforts could lead to penalties or overpayment issues. Always respond promptly to any requests for information from your state's unemployment office. Check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.